Hey guys, welcome to a new tutorial here on NailPossible. We're going to start this year with another design inspired on makeup packaging, and this time we're going to use the Givenchy New Chinese Year packaging as inspiration. As always, we're gonna start with our base coat. Next, we're going to apply a red polish. This time I'm being super careful with the application because red is kind of hard to clean up. Let's clean up wherever needed. And once everything is dry, we're going to use nail guides like these. And I'm going to place them on two of the nails, creating a rhombus. Now, with nail stamping using this Cici&Sisi plate and gold polish, we're going to stamp this image first on the nails that don't have the nail guides. We're going to stamp the image on the edges diagonally to create a rhombus in the center. On the nails with the guides, we're just gonna stamp the image on the center. And on the last nail, we're gonna do the same thing we did at the beginning. We remove the guides. We clean up the residue from the stamping. And we add a top coat to protect the design. Our Chinese New Year nails are now ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I hope you did. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!